guys, it's the first time we are coming for a movie after lockdown, post lockdown. So things are very different here. We have come to Cinepolis City Center, Mangalore, and things are very, very different. So I'll take you all in with me. Also about the tickets, I'll be telling you all it was for 150 and we got the recliner seat for 150. Can you just believe what happened? And the tickets were soft copy. We didn't have the hard the chit that we get normally, the ticket. So it was all like e-tickets. Yeah, e-tickets. Okay, why was I telling other things? Anyway, so I'm very excited. It's the first movie that we are going post lockdown, and yeah, I'll see you later. Hi.
Hi, you want popcorns?
Yes,
I got nachos.
thank you.
Nobody is getting nachos.
You are going to share with me. You have no other way.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, how are you feeling post lockdown? First movie. Okay, is it the first movie for you?
I came for some other movie.
Yeah, these guys ditched me.
This
These
is
guys.
my first movie.
Okay, mine and Avantika's first movie, but this girl ditched us.
I think
We are here for
Yeah,
popcorn.
I think-
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Which popcorn is that? Which popcorn is that?
stop it, dude.
Which popcorn is that?
I mixed caramel and
Caramel
salted.
also there.
Yes.
Cheese is not there.
No, I didn't tell them to mix cheese. No, I didn't tell them to mix cheese.
Okay, thanks. You're not my best friend.
Why?
I love cheese, dude.
I
Okay,
think
these
you love
guys, you all know what just happened. These guys ordered mixed popcorn, and there is no cheese popcorn in it. They're not my best friends. Anyway, okay. Is there cheese in it at least? Okay. Is there cheese in it at least? Please tell me there's cheese in it.
this one, and then mayonnaise you'll give.
Okay, thank God.
There is something. Hey, see now which screen? Oh my god.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, even I'm excited because it's after so long.
And the recliner for 150.
Recliner for 150. So if you'll see in Mangalore, in Mangalore. Oh, it's fully empty.
Can I lie to them in the video saying I booked the whole theater for y'all?
We booked the whole theater. So in Mangalore, okay, I'm trying to say something.
Okay.
In Mangalore, movie tickets are very cheap. So if you are not from Mangalore and seeing this video from somewhere else, yeah. Hi. Hi, auntie. She is Pradnya's mom,
Oh my god.
and this is Pradnya.
She's like our fourth best friend.
Yes.
Okay. Show them. Yeah, I'm sitting here, please. No, now you sit.
No, it's okay. You sit there. Give me water.
Yeah, well. These are actually very tasty. Yeah. Guys, this feeling is so unreal.
Yeah.
Literally, there is no one in the theater. It's like we own the theater for ourselves. I told them also. I was like, can I lie to them saying that I booked the whole theater for us?
Yes.
So, yeah.
That's how
And
we.
the ticket was also so cheap, no?
Yeah, it's 150 for recliner. That's what I told you guys.
How
In
was
Mangalore,
the popcorn price and all? Did it increase or like?
260. In gold it will be 230.
Okay.
260.
So the food items, the prices for food items have increased, and rest of that, apart from that, everything is normal, right?
Yeah.
And
But,
maybe because no, I
like, there's
feel
no
maybe
crowd.
yeah, there's no crowd, and there was not much checking also, like basic rules and COVID rules were there. Apart from that, I don't think so there was any changes, no. Hey guys, so it's the interval, and so far the movie is very funny, isn't it? So far the movie is very funny.
Yeah.
It's very fun, like the little things that you have to notice.
Exactly. Small detailings of this movie is so amazing.
And it's more like a funny horror funny, something like that. Like it's funny and horror, no? It's the same jacket that I've worn. So far, how is the movie for you?
Okay.
It's funny. It's funny and horror. And trust me, guys, this is so fun. I mean, so comfortable. Like it feels like we're watching movie in our house. So it's very comfy and yeah. And this girl, she was literally laughing so loud. There's a scene where this person, I don't want to give a spoiler, but there's a scene where this person is wearing his tank top ulta. So you guys know how does it look, how it's gonna look.
Because
That
only
was so
here,
funny. We
you have the
couldn't
most
stop
advanced
laughing for
technology in the
almost
world to
half
live
an hour,
the
like
most of
15
your
to 20 minutes. We
passion.
couldn't stop
First
laughing
thing you
on that.
call go to the movies
So,
is
yeah.
more at Cinepolis.
So with this, we come to the end of this impromptu vlog, which was not even planned. Yes, it was. If I have to give a quick backstory for this vlog, I would say that we went for a movie. Yes, we had planned for a movie because we all needed a break. Like especially I needed a break, and we went. We bought tickets, and after we got in, I thought like, why not vlog? Because it's almost a year since I've watched a movie, and why not like document this. Feeling or I don't know what, but then I just thought like after entering the theater I thought I will vlog this. So sorry for the disturbance. And yeah, so after that I thought I'll vlog, and then we just started, then I just started vlogging. And I don't know how much how you guys have felt about it, but I just hope you all liked it. And about the movie, if I have to say, I would give it a 3 out of 5 because it's not that horror as it is shown in the trailer. But 3 is because of R. Rajkumar and the other guys acting, which literally took the movie to another level. And of course, what's her name? I keep forgetting her name. Janvi Kapoor. So yeah, it was overall a good, I don't even know what to say because it was very funny and horror. So yeah, And about the rules and regulations that I felt, has changed in the theater, I would say nothing much has changed, because maybe it's a year and I'm too late to go for a movie and know about the changes. Because initial stages when the movie just started, I thought, I guess there were a lot of rules and regulation. But as of now, and also we went to a very night show like 8:30 p.m. So there was no much crowd. There was no crowd at all, I can say. There was no much people at all. So we didn't we couldn't what do you say, we couldn't see the changes properly. Basic changes I've told in the video. So that's it. And once again, I'm telling, I hope you guys like this very unplanned vlog. Also, I'll see you in my next video. So until then, lots of love.